Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, in my previous lessons, we discussed about selections using NCR and questions about selecting three different persons or objects with restrictions. Now, these lessons, we continue to look at questions where specified persons or objects must be included or excluded. All right, have a look of question 4, which is a question from May-June 2005, paper 6. A football team consists of 3 players who play in a defense positions. 3 defense. All right, 3 players who play in a midfield positions. 3 midfield. And 5 players who play in the forward positions. 5 forward. 3 players. So we are going to select 3 players. 3 players are chosen. See, keyword chosen to collect a gold medal for the team. Find in how many ways this can be done if the captain, who is a midfield player, must be included. This is the restrictions. Together with 1 defense and 1 forward player. So in order to answer these questions, so let's put down 3 different places. And the captain, who is a midfield player, must be included. So he is selected in the team of 3. And now, together with 1 defense, and we have 3 defense, and we select 1. So the number of ways, 3 C1, and 1 forward player. And they are all together 5 forward players. So out of 5 forward players, we choose 1. 3 are 5 C1 here. So the total number of ways is, as we are using multiplication rule, we multiply them all together, right? And as the midfield player who is the captain, there's only 1 captain, right? So there's only 1 way to do so. And we multiply all. So that's why the answer would be 15. So there are 15 ways to do so for answer the part 1. Okay, now we look at the part 2. If exactly 1 forward player must be included. So this is the restrictions. Together with any 2 others. So same thing, we have 3 different places here. And they must have exactly 1 forward players. So there are 5 forward players. And we just simply choose 1. So the number of way 5C1. All right. And then together with any 2 others. It does not specify whether midfield players or defense players. All right. So we will take the total of 3 defense and the 3 midfield players. So there are 6 available players and we select 2. So the number of way will be 6C2. Hence, the number of way for having a team of 3 with exactly 1 forward player, number of way 5C1. And the other 2, it can come from defense or midfield, or both are from defense or both are from midfield. So the number of way given by 6C2. Hence the total of ways for doing so, multiply them together, and the answer, we use calculator, we got 75. All right. So this is how we consider the questions with some persons are included or excluded. Right. Now we have a look of the next questions. Okay, to answer question 5, which is a question from 2009, October, November, experience 6-1. Find the number of ways of choosing a school team. So choose, again, the keyword, the selections, a school team of 5 pupils from 6 boys and 8 girls. So 6 boys and 8 girls. And we need a team of 5 pupils. Now, for part 1, if there are more girls than boys in the team, so to have a selection of more girls than boys, we need to consider all the number of ways in different cases. Case 1, right? We can have 3 girls and 2 boys. So there is a team of 5 and there are more girls than boys. All right, this is case 1. Case 2, we also can have 4 girls, 1 boy. All right, or case 3, that we have 5 girls and 0 boy. Then this is also one of the possible case. Now we are trying to find out the number of ways. So for 8 different girls, we simply choose 3 girls. So the number of ways given by exceed 3. And at the same time, multiply 6 different boys, simply choose 2 boys. All right. So using calculator, we will get the number of ways to be 840. Now we consider case 2 using the same method. 8 girls, simply choose 4, and 6 boys, choose 1. And then the number of ways, 420. For the case 3, we have 8 different girls, simply choose 5 girls. And 6 boys, choose 0 boy. So which is 1. So I do not write it down. So I just have to calculate the number of ways of XC5, which is 56. Again, this reminder that anything C0, the number of ways will be equals to 1. All right. So if we are looking for the total of ways, as I mentioned before, when I emphasize n, I multiply. So for case 1, we have this number of ways to select boys and to select girls. So we multiply them. Or we have case 2. So this and this. Or case 3, this and this. Then to find out the total number of ways for all the cases, we sum them up. 840, 420, plus 56. Total 1316. All right, now we look at the part 2. So to answer part 2, so we are still going to form a team of 5 pupils if 3 of the boys are cousins and are either all in the team or all not in the team. So that means either all included or all excluded. So according to the restrictions, first we have to consider case 1, where all 3 persons are all in the team. And we need a team of 5 pupils. And these 3 persons are in the team. So we have a boy 1, boy 2, and boy 3. So then we still need 2 more pupils, correct? And out of 6 boys, if 3 of them are cousins and all 3 of them are in the team, then we still have 3 boys left. And together with 8 girls, we still have 11 pupils. And we need to, out of these 11 pupils, we need to choose 2 more pupils to form a team of 5. All right. So the number of ways is given by 11C2, and from the calculator, the number is 55. Now we're going to consider case 2, where all 3 cousins are not in the team. So same thing, we have 5 places, and since the 3 cousins are not in the team, that means we still have 3 boys left to choose from, and together with the 8 girls, so we still have 11 pupils to choose from, and we still need a team of 5 pupils. All right. So the number of ways is given by 11C5, and the number is 462. Hence, the total ways so as we have 2 different cases, so we are going to sum up the number of ways, which is 55 plus 462. And the answer is 517. All right. Okay. Let's have a look of the next questions. Now, let's look at this question 6, margin 15, a variant 62. Find the number of ways of selecting, again, the keyword, a group of 9 people. So we need a group of 9 from 14. If 2 particular people cannot both be in the group together. All right. So this is a commonly asked question where it involves 2 particular persons. So when this is the case, I label them as A and B. All right. And it always comes down to 4 different cases. So case 1, for this A in the team or in the group, then B out of the group. Case 2, A is out of the group, B is in the group. Case 3, A is in and B is in. And case 4, A is out and B is also out. All right. So in order to find out the number of ways which is requested by the questions, where these 2 particular people cannot both be in the group together. That means, what do we want to find out is the number of ways that case 1, if A is in the team, then B is not. All right. Or case 2, A is out, B is in. Or even case 4, that both are not in the team, right? Both are not in the group together. So in order to consider all these cases, 1, 2, and 4 here, we actually have a better way to attempt these questions. What will we do is, we find the total number of ways, with no restrictions. All right. Then we minus off the number of ways that both A and B in the team, in the group. So by using this method, we will be able to get the number of ways for case 1, case 2, and case 4. All right, so let's find out the number of ways with no restrictions. To select a group of 9 people from 14 people, what is the number of ways given? It is 14 C9. All right, from 14 people, we choose or we select 9 people at random. All right, this will give us the number of ways with no restrictions. Then we try to minus out the number of ways where A and B are in the team. All right, if we have a team of 9 people, all right, there are 9 places here where both A and B are already in the team. Now we have together 14 people. When both A and B are in the team, we minus out 2 people, these 2 particular persons, the A and B, then we still have 12 people left, right? So from the remaining 12 people, we need to select 7 more people to form the group. All right, the number of ways will be given by 12C7. Hence, by using calculator, we will get the number of ways is 1210. All right. Let's have a look of next questions here. Now you can see that this is the question 7 coming from October, November 2012, variant 6.3. All right. Please try these questions, which is similar to the questions we have just discussed. Write down your answer in the comment below. Okay. See you in the next lessons. Bye-bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.